Ever had that moment where your heart just sinks? Picture this. It's dawn at a packed train station in Vietnam, and you're standing there frozen by the departure board. Suddenly, you realize your backpack, your whole world in one bag, is off on a train to a city you've never even heard of. One careless second, a zipper left half open, and just like that, weeks of plans unravel. Everyone else is slipping seamlessly into their adventures, but you're stuck, explaining your disaster to a guard who barely speaks English. The regret? It's heavier than any pack you could ever carry. Here's the thing. Your backpack isn't just gear. It's your closet, your kitchen, sometimes even your bed. But most folks spend more time planning their next destination than thinking about the bag that's going to carry them through it all. Too big, and you'll overpack and drag yourself up every staircase, cursing every extra just-in-case item. Too small, and you'll end up re-wearing the same sweaty shirts, wishing you hadn't skimped at checkout. But that's only the start. If your straps don't fit right, or the frame isn't balanced, what starts as a minor annoyance on day one can turn into a pulled muscle or nagging pain by week 2. I've learned that the hard way. And let's not forget the layout. If you can't get to what you need without dumping everything on a rainy sidewalk, you'll feel that mistake every single day. It isn't just about picking the right bag, it's about how you pack it. Put your heavy stuff too low and your posture will twist all wrong. Toss your valuables in an outer pocket, you're basically inviting pickpockets to take a look. And when that budget zipper pops open in the middle of a busy street, dumping your life for everyone to see, trust me, you'll wish you'd paid more for quality. You might think you're being clever, saving weight and money, but the real price shows up later. Cab rides for tired shoulders, doctor bills for strained backs, or just the stress of wondering if your passport is still where you left it. True freedom comes from being able to move without your pack holding you back. So here's my secret. Before any trip, I lay out only the essentials, no maybe items. I pack, repack, and walk around my block, feeling every pressure point. Compression sacks and packing cubes, lifesavers, not gimmicks. Get to know your bag before you ever leave home, so on the road it moves with you, not against you. Travel is full of surprises, weather, delays, missed connections. But you control how you carry yourself and your gear. Don't let one backpack mistake ruin your adventure. Choose it with care, pack it with intention, and test it before you ever step out the door. Because when the journey tests you, and it will, you'll be ready. Light on your feet, steady in your heart, and free to go wherever the road leads next.